Now we'll see question number 8. So in this first one is from mensuration. A sphere of diameter 12 centimeters is dropped in a right circular cylindrical vessel. It's partially filled with water. In the sphere is completely submerged in water, then water level is increased by 3 5 by 9 centimeters. So find the diameter of the cylindrical vessel. Okay. Sphere diameter is given, and now when it's merged, so how much is raised up? That also is given. So we can find out using the diagram. So you can see the diagram I am showing here. 8A. So this is a cylindrical vessel. So if you observe, in this the water is there. When you merge one 6 centimeters radius, so 12 centimeters diameter means 6 centimeters radius. When it's merged inside, then water level is rise to 3 5 by 9 centimeters. So 9 3 is 27 plus 5, 32 by 9 centimeters is increased. That means whatever volume of this, so much space is occupied, that much amount of water will be rise up. Okay, then based on this, the volume of water displaced, that should be equal to volume of the sphere. So we can use this both. So we need to find out the radius of the cylinder. So let R be the radius of the cylindrical vessel. Okay, diagram is clear. Let R be the radius of cylindrical vessel. So radius of cylindrical vessel, so cylinder. Now volume of the water displaced, that means nothing but, so volume of the cylinder only, but height is 32 by 9 centimeters. Okay, this much only height is increased. Then volume of water displaced, so that is pi r square h. The formula is pi r square h. Here pi value is 22 by 7 and r square we need to find out, but height is 32 by 9. So this much water is displaced, and because of the sphere is immerged in it, then volume of the sphere formula will apply. Then similarly, volume of sphere, so volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this radius is different, so that is 4 by 3, pi value 22 by 7 and r cube. R is 6 here, so 6 into 6 into 6. So this is also in cubic centimeters. Now as per the question, these both are equal, so you can equate these both, then you can find out the r value. So let be equation 1, this is 2 and 1 is equals to 2. So from this both we can equate this both equations, RHS part, that is 22 by 7 r cube into 32 by 7 is equals to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, 22 by 7, 20 by 7 cancel both sides, and r cube is the value. If you take other side, you can take all the values one side, you can cancel here 3 3 1s are 3 2s are, which is positive, you can cancel. Then r cube is equals to, so right side is 4 into 2 into 6 into 6 into 32 by 7 is 7 by 32. We can cancel here 3 16, again 4 1s are 4 4 to 16, cancel 2 table, 2 1s are 2 2s are, again 2 1s 2 2s are, finally 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, 2 3s are 6. If you take this total value, then you can see the calculations also. Okay, so in calculation, see, here is a small, actually this is pi r square, so not cube. So this is pi r square, and square it is this 32 by 9, right? So 2 7 is a 9. That means you can keep 9 here. Then by cancellations, okay, let me cancel it once again. So r square is equals to 4 into, so after cancellations is all, 32 by 7, this 9 as this. So 22 by 7, 22 by 7 get cancelled. Again here 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. And now r square is equals to 4 into 2 8, 6 into 6 36, into 32 by 9 is 9 by 32. So 8 ones are 8, 4s are 4 ones are 4 nines. Yes, this is 9 square. So r square is 9 square. R square is equal to 9 square, then r is equals to 9, that is centimeters. So as per the question they asked, find the diameter of the circular vessel. So diameter is equals to 2r. Therefore, so diameter is equals to 2 into radius. So 2 into 9, that is 9 to 18 centimeters. Right, yeah. Now this is about this. Next you see the question 8b. Mr. Raman opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited 300 rupees per month. So this is P. For 2 years. If he received 525 as interest at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest. R value you need to find out and maturity value also we should find out. So this banking problem we'll do now. So here the principal. So this monthly installment. Let P is equals to rupees 300. Then invested 2 years. So that is the time. So time is equals to 2 years. So that therefore n is equals to 12 twos because 12 months. So 12 months in a year. 2 years means 24 months. We should convert into months. So n is equals to 24 now. If you take the formula simple interest, P into n into n plus 1 by 2. So formula I'm writing. Then 1 by 12 into r by 100. Okay, this is simple interest formula. Just remember this. So using this formula you can find out the rate of interest first. And simple interest is given in the question itself. That is 525. Then 525 is equals to, just substitute all the values. So 525 and P value is 300 into n plus 1. So 24 into 25 n into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into r by 100. By simplifying you will get the r value. Then which is possible you can cancel 2 ones to 150. Okay, again 12 ones are 12 twos. So finally again you can cancel 0 0. 5 twos are 10 and here 5 threes are 15. And next 2 also get cancelled. Finally 525 is equals to here 325. That is 75 into r. Then r is equals to 525 by 75. Then 75 sevens. So rate of interest is equals to here 7%. Okay, per annum. This is capital. Once you know rate of interest, then you can find out the maturity value. So maturity value is the total investment plus interest. So that is invested 300 per month, like this 24 months. This total investment plus interest is given the question 525. This is 7200 plus 525. There is a total maturity value. That is equal to 7000. Yeah, 725. Right. That is the maturity value. Okay. Now that's all about this question. And next one is geometric progression. If the GP is 5, 10, 20 and 1280, 640, 320 have nth terms equal, find the value of n. So in both nth term is same. Then let us take the given data and find out. Two series is given, first and second series. So in this first series is in GPs 5, 10, 20, so on. In this first term is A, that is 5 and common ratio. So in this a is equals to 5 and common ratio is second term divided by first term, that is 2. Okay, a value, r value. Then nth term. So we know a n is equals to a into r to the power n minus 1. So a into, so 5 into r to the power, so 2 to the power n minus 1. This is a n, let me first. And second GB, geometric progression series sequence is given 1280, 640, 320 and so on. If you observe here, this is the first term is 1280 and common ratio 640 by 1280. This is 1 by 2, so 2 times. And in this case, the nth term, so an is equals to same a into r power n minus 1. Into r power n minus 1. Here a is 1280 and r is 1 by 2 power n minus 1. This is second equation. So as per the question, this both statements must be equal. So because nth term is same. Okay, that case if you take from 1 comma 2, 1 is equals to 2. Okay, from the equation 1 and 2, we can equate this both values. So that is 5 into 2 to the power n minus 1 is equals to 1280 into 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. Right, now we can simplification, if you do, you get the n value. Then you can do some cancellations, 2 to the power. So this you can positively can cancel 5 ones are 5 2s are 10, 2 is a 28, 5 5 is 25, and 3 30, 256. Then 2 to the power n minus 1. So 2 to the power n by 2 to the power 1. We can write this. And this 256 into 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. 1 by 2 you can do reciprocal, n minus 1 becomes 1 minus n. Okay. Then 256 into 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power n. We can write this. Just to simplify, this is 2 to the power n by 2. This means by 1. Just take all the terms on side, n terms. So 2 to the power n into 2 to the power n this side, and 256 into 2 and into 2 is one more. Then 2 to the power n. So formula a power m into again a power m means you can write a power m whole square, that is a power 2m. So 2 to the power, we can write 2n as a 2 power n whole square. 2 to the power n whole square, that is 256 into 2 into 2. So 512, 1024. This we know 2 to the power 10, right? Then we can write this is a, then 2 is the base and 2 is the base. Then 2n is equals to 10, right? 2n is equals to 10 because whenever the base are same, then these powers are equal. N is equals to 5. Okay, that's it. So value of n is equals to 5. That means whenever the n value is 5, so according to question, nth terms are equal, then find the value of n. That means the fifth term will be same in both cases. Okay, this is about question number 8. Now we'll solve 10th questions and we'll see the sums.